Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover further albums of a particular band or artist that you have found using the Shazam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then scroll down to the My Music section and tap on Artists. Now select the artist you are interested in and just simply tap on it. Scroll down till you find the More Albums section. So now you are ready to select from or get to know to this artist's albums. Just simply tap on the one that you would like to discover, and here by scrolling down you can see the songs that this album contains, and you can play them individually or put it to your playlist or even open it in Spotify or in your Apple Music application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.